Verizon versus T-Mobile versus AT&T in 2026. Which wireless carrier is actually worth your money? Today we are breaking down the pros, cons, and pricing so you can decide fast. And for now, let's go. Quick stats snapshot. Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, the big three US carriers in 2026. All three continue to compete on coverage, speed, and value, and here is the quick snapshot. Verizon, best overall coverage. T-Mobile, fastest average speeds and best value. AT&T, great balance of coverage and perks. Verizon. Verizon Pros, widest national coverage, especially in rural areas, strong reliability and support. Cons, typically the most expensive plans, extra fees for premium features. Pricing. Unlimited plans starting around $70 per month per line. Premium plans start around $85 to $90 per month. And when talking about T-Mobile, T-Mobile pros include best value for money, fastest real-world speeds in most cities, perks like streaming credits and international roaming. And for the cons of T-Mobile, slightly weaker rural coverage and network congestions in peak areas. Pricing. Unlimited starts at around $60 per month, better pricing when you add multiple lines. AT&T. AT&T Pros, solid national coverage, good 5G availability, often bundle deals with TV and internet. Cons. Slower speeds than T-Mobile, mid-tier pricing, not the cheapest. Pricing. Unlimited starts around $65 per month, discounts if bundled with home services. Speed and coverage comparison. Speed and coverage roundup. T-Mobile fastest 5G speeds overall. Verizon most consistent coverage nationwide. AT&T solid coverage and 5G, but slightly behind T-Mobile's top speeds. Who should use what? Now, who should pick what? Choose T-Mobile if you want top speed and value. Choose Verizon if coverage reliability matters most. Choose AT&T if you want balanced performance and bundle perks. Final verdict. So what is best in 2026? Best value, T-Mobile. Best coverage, Verizon. Best balance, AT&T. Your ideal choice depends on where you live and what features matters most to you. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison.